our lives. We have over 105,000 subscribers to help you build your channel, influence, and income. Yes, y'all, we get paid every second of the day. Every second of the day. I want y'all to understand that and get it through your mind because it took me some time. We get paid every second of the day. It's not like real estate. See, the thing about real estate, I know for without a shadow of a doubt, Saturday and Sunday, I ain't getting no money. Ain't nobody buying no house on Saturday and Sunday because all the title companies closed. All holidays. Half the time, Monday, real estate people, we don't even want to get up on Monday, right? So with the internet, everybody's cranking all the time. Healing, what's up, bro?
What's up, man? Peace, my brothers. How y'all doing?
Doing good, doing good.
Good to see you back, man. What you got?
Excellent.
We getting back to the channel?
I got great news, bro. You said what, G?
We getting back to your channel, or what? Where you at? What we need?
Oh yeah, we get back to our channel. Hey, I applied what you said, brother AJ, to the channel, and you know what? I don't know. I don't know. I feel like I did have questions as far as because I applied it to the orange juice. You'll see it. You know the channel.
Look it up now.
Okay, for sure. Yeah, the orange juice video. I applied all the thumbnail. I mean all the tags with him, and I did the thumbnail, and it was just like it just didn't. I don't know. I was trying to figure out what am I missing in order to get the growth. Yeah, that one.
Let's see. Well, let me go back first. Let me look at the thumbnail. AJ, did we look at the thumbnail?
Yeah, I'm looking at it right now. So you talking about the what you didn't know about fresh squeezed orange juice.
I like that title, AJ. What about you?
Yeah, I mean I like it too. I'm getting ready to do a little.
I like the title, Healer.
Appreciate that, y'all. I implied what you said. You said to put a question in the first sentence and then say whatever you want to say afterwards.
I like that. What you didn't know about. Now, I'm concerned about. Now, let me ask you what you didn't know about fresh squeezed orange juice. AJ, his thumbnail and the video title doesn't have to be the same.
No, it doesn't. It just needs to be your thumbnail. Like it depends. Like sometimes it can be a shrunken down version of that, as long as they match. So like right now, your topic is, or your question is, what you don't know about, what you didn't know about fresh squeezed orange juice, and then how juicing oranges can save your life. I like that one, and that's more impactful and emotional than that other one. So it's almost kind of like it's a two-pronged approach. You got people who you can win over with your thumbnail to where they're like almost like, man, what in the world is he talking about? I want to go. Or your statement or whatever you're trying to answer will get people. So they don't necessarily have to be the same, but you don't want them to conflict with each other.
Right.
You know, you don't want it to be like, how can orange juice save your life? And then in your topic is like, hey, you ain't got to worry about your life because this video ain't talking about that. Something like that.
Right. Because I learned that.
Go ahead, Healing. I'm sorry.
I was gonna say I learned that from like Russell Brunson. You know, that's something they like. You know, the bigger YouTubers they have like basically like two different titles, and he was explaining how like the thumbnail people are image people. That's why on the advertising they spend so much money on the image and whatnot. They don't really focus on, I guess, as much as the title. It does matter, but as far as it's just getting you in the door. So that's why I was trying to work on the thumbnail. You hear me?
Yeah.
Did a thumbnail smart. AJ, I want to ask you. I'm concerned about the keywords in the title, though. I think it's keywords. See, the thing about you probably already know this. Keywords and the thumbnail. The keywords have to bring the people in, but the thumbnail they're going to see it. But when they type in those keywords, I don't think they're going to type in what you. Well, I don't know. AJ, tell me about that, bro.
Well, it all depends because the idea is the keywords. So I'm looking at your keywords right now.
We got to start with the title, though.
Yeah, and I mean, and then because the idea is your title of your video, you want to get people be inquisitive for them to get there. But then when somebody, so like right now, you got to think, if you type in your title right now. So if I take your title and type that into YouTube right now. Does that give you a list at all? Right now, when I type in that entire title that you have.
Bring it up, AJ. I'm gonna leave mine on here. We'll bring it up. Bring you up on that.
Let me get you over here. All right. So if I type in this title right now, as you see, nothing is being searched for on that topic right now.
Okay.
But so, for example, if I start and erase this and just do what you didn't, that's what people are looking for right now.
Blow that up, AJ. What are they looking for? What you didn't know about Samsung, Apple, dance practice. They ain't got nothing to do with orange juice.
Yeah. So it's nothing to matter with the title, but you got to think, yes, you're making a content because that's what you want, but you want people to come to it. So the idea is just like if you have a store, you can have the greatest, newest, flyest, hypest Air Force Ones. But if you don't put it in a wording that what people want to see,
ain't nobody gonna know.
Yeah, no one's gonna know about it. Even if your content is hot. Like right now, what's the biggest thing that has been going on today? The inauguration. So is it gonna be, I don't mean this to be in the wrong way. You might actually find this. Is it like day somebody gets kicked out? Is that going to find what you really want? You may get something about the inauguration, but people are looking for United States inauguration.
Okay.
You understand what I'm saying? So like now, your topic, whatever your video is based it's about, it's like know about fresh squeezed juice, and then you're talking about how it can save your life. The other thing you want to say is whether it be in the words that are in your image, your thumbnail, or your title, repeat them again in the body of your description.
Okay.
Down here.
Yeah, repeat it again somewhere. Just because the way the system works, it's looking at your image, it's looking at your title, it's looking at your tags, and it's just additional real estate to repeat those words. Now, you got to be careful how you do this because you can get flagged the wrong way if you do this. Like some people would just take all the tags that you just did, and they would just put them in the body of the description. You can't do that.
Yeah,
you get in trouble for that. What you would do is, you ever been, back in school when we had the spelling test and you had to use a word in a sentence? And I used to be like, you use broccoli in a sentence. Today's word in English was broccoli. In a sentence. In other words, you got to be creative when you do that in your description. Use the tags that are popular, but rephrase it in an actual applicable sentence to what you're doing. And now you're using and doubling up the tags that are popular, that what people are looking for in your description.
Okay.
So like you could be like, oh, what you don't say, everybody was looking for fresh squeezed orange juice.
That's a big one, no doubt.
That one will get you a lot of stuff if you look at that. So if I look up fresh squeeze, if I look up fresh squeezed orange juice right now, it's a ton of stuff, but you see everybody's looking for this. So let's add the underscore. And now look what everybody's looking for. Fresh squeezed orange juice, juice machines, juice benefits.
I like that. That benefits. I like that's a good word.
Yeah. Or good for you, for health. So for me, if I was doing your video in the description, because those tags are going to lead people. If you had this in your description, in your title or whatever, your video would show up. So in here, it'd be like, hey, in today's video, we're going to be talking about how fresh squeezed orange juice, there are plenty of benefits to having fresh squeezed orange juice. It's good for you to have fresh squeezed orange juice. And it can actually be very healthy to use fresh squeezed orange juice. See, I just did all three of those top items right there in a way in my description that just tripled your tags, but you're actually using them in a sentence. Because the idea is like you have good content, you have to make it, in other words, just like the store analogy, you need to put up a sign saying we're open. We got fresh squeezed orange juice, because that's what people are looking for. So you need to let them know what they are looking for, not what you want them to look for. What are they looking for? And then link your content to what people are looking for.
I think it's on the way, man. You got the thumbnail healing. I think we got to just work on the keywords. And where is the video description at, dog? How come I see a long video description?
Yeah, I'm sorry.
Why don't I see any video description here?
I usually have more, but I was gonna say something about the link. Because you know what, you're right. I probably should, because if you check on any other ones, it's just I had so much, and I had so much in bulk because I upload every single day and whatnot. Yeah. I even uploaded today actually, because I really wanted him to see after this one too. Like, what does he think of that one?
You got one more?
Yeah, it's just the one recent today.